See them skies? Those are snow clouds. We're supposed to get like 9 inches. This is the calm before the storm. We'll see what it looks like tomorrow, hey? So isn't it pretty now? Just beautimous. Alright. Well, roads are not looking too good tonight. We can just watch the traffic cams. These roads look absolutely horrible. I think I'll stay in until I don't know when. This is roadways just around Milwaukee. There, the little traffic cams. Cars don't seem to be going the speed limit. We got like one lane highways here. Can't imagine what it's going to look like tomorrow. Another one going kind of slow there. Doesn't even look like the plows have hit the freeways. Lordy, lordy. Looks like there's only one lane road here. Goodness. Glad I'm not out traveling in that. I'm in my warm house. Doesn't look like that's been plowed too much either. I'm sure with all this snow that's falling, we're supposed to get up to 9 inches for heaven's sakes. We'll have to see what tomorrow night brings. Gonna have some heavy winds, I guess. Another part of the freeway. Lordy, lordy. Yep, I shall stay in. I think that's down by Racine. Can't believe we're getting hit by this stuff. Maybe I'll venture and look outside the window tomorrow and see what it's doing. I don't plan on going anywhere. The truck's going a little slow there. Yeah, if you can see, but it's like roads really haven't been plowed much. Or they may have been and they just can't keep up, I'm sure. He's traveling with his flashers on. Probably to warn people that he's going slow. I'd be going slow too. But since I don't have to be out there, I'll just make a video of it. Alright, we'll see what tomorrow brings. Yeah, we're getting hit big time.